hair. So before me and Bubby go into Walmart, I figured I would update you guys on some stuff real quick. I was gonna film a sit down video and talk about it. Oh, my camera's falling. But I can't really go into much detail about certain things. So we are moving to San Antonio on Thursday, and there's just better job opportunities for Jory. What's wrong? Here. There's better job opportunities for Jory. There's better opportunities for me with my doula business that I will be starting up in a few months. And yeah, so we will be moving on Thursday. I have already started packing. And so the second thing is I had a OB appointment on Thursday. I was 1 centimeter and 50% effaced. So still fingers crossed that my body decides to go into labor on its own. We are keeping my OB care in Waco just because I am so close to my due date, and my induction date is already scheduled with them. So we're just gonna keep it with them unless obviously I go into labor on my own. Then we will just go to a hospital that's closer to us. But that is the plan for that. I do have an OB appointment coming up on Wednesday, so hopefully I am dilated even more, and obviously, you know, my body is ready to go into labor. But besides that, we are here at Walmart trying to get Raven a birthday cake and some last minute stuff. I wish my camera would stop falling. And some last minute stuff for her party and for the food. So that's what we're gonna go do now. Bubby, what are you doing? Yeah? Raven, let me see the box. Me and Nana picked this up for them to play with. Raven's about to walk. Raven. I can't really show the kids because I forgot their swimsuits and they're naked, so they're playing. What's wrong? Give Bubby his. So we are about to blow up this. Well, Raven's gonna try to do it. Are you gonna do it? Do it. Are you getting it?
Grayson Wiley.
He can't reach the. So we're gonna air up the sprinkler thingamajig. Yeah, Bubby has balls that he was playing with.
No, get my people.
Papa and Daddy are cooking. Well, they're about to start cooking.
Papa's gonna blow it up.
And Bubby's upset.
That's my floaty. I know you're not getting off that way.
I am. I'm trying to get Raven's naked butt out of it.
Bubba.
Come here. Bobby. He's in his own little world.